Hello, mic test. So right now mga katoto, we're here at we're here kami sa Cavite, Driftwoods. We're here at Driftwoods for the Bojes camping thing at night or something. Supposedly they are going to unveil their new rally bike. Basically everyone. Mali pa nga yung shoes na nadala ko. Hindi pa siya pang off-road, pang street pa. There's this one bike that I haven't tried dito sa Boje, and that's what I'm gonna test out right now. Thank you, Boje, for inviting us, me and Lastog. Hang on. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be shooting this entire episode on the Insta360 X5. So ito yung sinasabi ko, see? They have all the tents for everyone actually. And they get this big old tent, and I'm nag-test ride na. Kudos, Boje. Nice setup and everything. In-interview si... Ang payat pa naman ang Tides! So we're here. Ayun naman, masasabi ng test ride.
Gusto magbaba kasi pagkatapos pag-ikot isa pa ulit.
Ano kailangan natin for test ride? Passport. On the back.
Tapos palista na lang po.
So, ang ikot naman, no?
Apa.
Pwede pa yun.
Rick, bakit kailangan naka-off ang ABS pagdating sa off-road?
Kasi kailangan natin yung traction eh. Pwede tayo mag-square.
Dulas-dulas.
Oo.
So, itong 300 na to, pag in-off mong naka-on, tapos pinatay mo, pag in-on mo,
Naka-default ng 8.
Oh, baby.
So, ito mga katoto yung...
Sige nga, tingnan ko nga kung may impress ako sa'yo. Bibidyo kita doon na. Gusto ko
Teka lang, wag mo naman akong i-pressure naman.
Pag-pili ka ha.
Tingnan mo, di ko tuloy may lock yung helmet ko. So, ang ano dito sa motor na to mga katoto, kaya sinabing rally siya, mataas to, like. So, I'm gonna go around one ikot lang muna just to get the feel of the track.
Baby, abot mo yan, no? Abot mo?
Oo,
Ingat, ingat.
Ay, taas. Ay, hindi.
Flat foot ba? Or medyo tiptoe?
Medyo, hindi pantay yung ano eh. Wow, tangan mo ka. So, siguro naiikot ko tong motor na to about Less than 10 times. Siguro mga 7 or 8. Matagal ko na kasing pinanggigilan to. Though, pinaperam sa akin ng Vogue to. Pero, ayoko naman kasi sanang i-test ride to ng sa kalsada lang. Kasi, kaya nga tinawag na rally. Kumbaga, if rally, you have to take it off-road or dirt road or kita nyo naman kanina, we turned off the ABS and you saw what it does pag wala kayong ABS. Imagine nyo kung ulan yan tapos basa tapos wala kayong ABS, ganoon na mangyayari yan, mag-fishtail kayo ng sobra-sobra. Pero when it comes to dirt off-road riding, it is very essential na you turn off your ABS. But anyway, my philosophy before is that whenever I go off-roading, as you may know, I owned a CRF 150. Para sa akin kasi, yun yung pinaka-max ko na motor when it comes to off-roading. And I was taken by surprise with this bike. Picture myself taking this bike, trail riding, off-roading. Well, siguro depende na rin sa pupuntahan. Tamang masanay sa motor na to eh. Ako, I can't say na nasanay ako within this day kasi parang etong road na to, etong dinaanan namin na to is just level 1 or something when it comes to grading a trail ride or off-road thingy. See myself using this. Siguro hanggang ilang level lang off-road eh. I think hanggang level 3. So, I guess hanggang level 1 ako. Max na yung level 2. Yeah. It was fun. It's a lot of fun. Thank you, Vogue, for the view. And then here comes the nightlife. Program's about to start. They're about to unveil the new motorcycle lines. Pretty sure nakita nyo na tinest ride namin to sa China. I'm not sure which ones are they gonna unveil. Pero ang syala dito ha, tingnan nyo ha, may ano dito eh. May nakita ko rito eh. May ano sila ngayon?
May we request each and every one of us to please occupy line 2
May chef
before
silang
we start
kinuha.
program.
I'm like,
Para po
damn.
yung audience natin is compact.
Hindi naman naka-gold ah.
Thank you.
And before we start with tonight's festivities, I know you're all excited to see what we have in store for all of you. Our glasses for the future of premium riding. This is to partnership, to innovation, and to success. 我们来一起为 Forge Philippines 举杯，来干杯！
Potat and leek soup.
Uy, kinukuha na ako kasi bibigay yung salad mo. Tapos di mo pa ubos. Mabagal na. Huwag mo bigyan ng salad to kaya. Hello mga ka-Vogue, this is J-Mac of J-Mac Motovlog. Today we're here at Vogue Test and Camp. But on this day, I tested the DS300 Rally. This is actually the first time that I tried this bike. I've tried every bike that Vogue had, but this marks as the first time that I tried this, and I'm thankful that it is on off-road settings. If you were here, you would have seen me rode this thing about 8 or 9 times around the testing track. This is the best bike, or this is one of the best bike that you can possibly use. Maraming salamat, Vogue, for inviting me and for the view.
Hi guys, I'm Jens
Okay
from
na.
Archery and this is...
Wala pa yung pagkain. I know there's a sports bike here. It's right here. Pero siguro, nakadepende na rin sa age ko. I'm not really a fan of sports bike anymore. I am still, but not in a way na I wanted to ride more. Alam niyo naman ako, meron akong sports bike sa bahay, but I rarely ride that thing. What I'm eyeing for is the DS800X. I had the privilege of riding this sa China. One of the smartest option if you're into that kind of motorcycle, the rally. And then the DS625, a much higher version of the 525.
Let me acknowledge the
So,
presence
lang
of
ni,
everyone here.
Sir Arthur.
Maraming salamat po for coming.
Originally pala,
And we really enjoyed your
nakaparapol sila
company.
ng scooter.
Thank you for gracing us
Pero,
our occasion
pinalitan nila
with your presence.
ng rally, yung 300,
salamat,
yung tinesrad
Boss
ko kanina.
Joseph.
Damn!
Mr. Jeff Wang, Mr. Itaro ang catch dito. We need to wake up early, have the breakfast at 7 o'clock, and we will start the test ride 8 o'clock in the morning. Salamat po. Mabuhay ang coach.